Hello, my name is Sikiel. I'm a senior physics major here at Carthage, and these are my 5 favorite things at Carthage. My first favorite thing is obviously the lake. You get to sit down, read, study, hang out, a lot clearer when it's sunny, when it's warm, it's unreal. My second favorite thing at Carthage is CFA, the Carthage Film Association. Everybody there is just in love with film. You get to make movies, you get to be a part of a good community, and it doesn't matter if you're a major or not, you just get to go and be a part of it. My third favorite thing about Carthage is the microgravity lab. My project specifically is microgravity ullage detection. I've worked on it pretty much my entire time here at Carthage, and I've gotten a chance to work with lots of upperclassmen who've gone on to graduate programs and industry jobs and learning all types of industry-specific skills, just having fun doing what I came to Carthage to do. My fourth favorite thing about Carthage is the planetarium. I love the planetarium because I get to just do every single thing that I dreamed about doing as a little kid. I love space. Space brought me to Carthage. Space got me into physics. Space determined what I would do for the rest of my life. And now I get to share some of that love with the community. I get to talk about space as much as I want to anybody who wants to listen. Every day I get to look up at the universe and see everything happening around us and just be a part of it. My fifth favorite thing about Carthage is the professors. Whether in or out of the major, they've all just been so helpful. They've just helped me not just as a college student, but in life as a person. The professors here care about the students outside of the classroom and their lives, and that has just changed my life. I'm Sikiel, and this has been my 5 favorite things about Carthage.